I'm gonna go to the beach. I decided I'm gonna go to the beach before it inevitably starts raining this weekend. Let's go. It's hot as fuck. I thought I was gonna have a nice, lovely beach day. Holy shit. I can't even fucking do it. I'm dripping sweat. Like buckets. Literal buckets. Let's go take Instagram pictures instead. It's so pretty here. God. Ignore that trash shit. Blur that out. Turns out I say a lot of stupid shit throughout the day, so my vlogs are really short.